Hello guys, welcome to the daily late night market analysis video. My name is Apoorv. I daily make educational content videos in English and in Hindi in dual audio. Both the links have been given on my open comment based telegram, which looks something like this. Link of my telegram is given in the description of this video, so you can find the link there. Okay, we discuss a lot of trades in real time market, and we discuss doubts and stop loss targets, a lot of things on my telegram. I do not give any calls. Now let's move to our chart. So I have some stocks for you guys today, then we will talk about bank nifty and nifty. So first let's open where the global markets are tending. So I'm thinking that it's a sideways opening for nifty tomorrow, 28 points. So I'm going to take it 20 to 30 points sideways momentum in nifty that it is going to open. Okay, so this is the current market scenario that I'm seeing right here. Okay, let's get right into the video now. So the first trade will be the Bandhan Bank, right? In Bandhan Bank, if you see, the stock looks pretty good. The reason is it is at a rejection node, one rejection, two rejection, three rejection. It is sitting at a rejection node number 3. Okay, so almost at a breakout verge. Also, this is a falling pattern right here. It should have broken for the downside, but as you can see right here, there was a sell-off candle, but it never continued here. Rather, it started the stock started to trade above this particular level and started to trade above it. Now today it closed pretty nicely. If you check the 15-minute time frame price action, the stock went up and then hits this level thrice. So this level is getting weak finally, okay, on every parameters. And if I make a small supply zone here, thus I can say that if this supply zone tomorrow has been broken, we can start making our intraday positions also in Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank is our intraday trade as well as a good swing trade. If you're going for a swing trade, I will update the targets on my telegram. The link is given in the description of this video. The next target will be Dengue. So Dengue dumps, as you can see right here, this particular stock looks like a good stock for scalp. Okay, one rejection, two rejection, three rejection. If something, if a candle something like this has been established here, I'm gonna take my trade. Okay, or a little big candle or closing above 377, I'm gonna take my trade, a scalping trade. Okay, maybe on intraday it might get give me some returns, or even on the in a day or two. So that will be my type of trade. If you see Elecon, so Elecon is making as you can see, it fell here, then it created a higher high, higher low, higher high, again higher low above this area, and took support from this particular resistance area. So supply demand conversion zone, good supply demand conversion zone, and now again it is moving on the higher side. So if you check the price action correctly, I'm seeing node number 1, node number 2, and node number 3 right here. So if this price action moves substantially above this particular level, okay, so I'm gonna take a trade. That will be my trade entry. And what will be my stop loss below this area? 6-7%. And I'm gonna take the next 9-10% momentum, or maybe more, from the stock. The stock looks pretty good for the higher levels. Okay, so the next stock, the next will be the index. So if we talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have some labels and some good labels and indicators for you guys. So 50-day exponential moving average is there, right? And 20-day or 200-day exponential moving average is there. It is also making a symmetrical pattern here, right? So the making of symmetrical pattern is telling me that the stock is getting, firstly, the stock is getting good demand at this area. As you can see, pin bar candle, after a fall there was a gap up, after it got rejected from 50 dema, okay, it fell, but it is hitting 50 dema twice. So if any candle closes above 50-day exponential moving average, I'm going to take a trade in Nifty as well. The target will be this, and the second target will be this. So any candle above this, first target is this much, and second target will be this much from the current market price. The second target can be the swing trade. The first target can be taken in 1:1 risk reward ratio and can be maintained. But if you want to take a trade, if you want to go on long side, then I would suggest Bank Nifty is pretty strong. Looks like a very good V-shaped recovery, and then higher high, higher low formation, sorry, higher low formation here, good higher low formation. There is a supply zone here, a very weak supply zone, and it is sitting at a 50-day exponential moving average. So what I think is that if a candle something like this comes here, okay, then I'm going to take a trade, and my trade will be till 200-day exponential moving average. That is around 300 to 400 points in Bank Nifty, and that's a lot. Okay, you're gonna take the candle slow. That will be 200 points stop loss, and 400.1 is true risk reward trade, and that seems to be a good trade. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you loved it, you enjoyed it. More stocks I will discuss tomorrow in real time market. I will try to find more stocks I will try to answer all of you guys questions and everything on my YouTube comment section or either on my Telegram. Okay, link of my Telegram is given in the description, so definitely follow me there also. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video that will come tomorrow.